What is happening, guys? Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Deepcool's booth at Computex 2024. Deepcool has launched a lot of interesting products this time. Brand new liquid coolers are there, brand new cases are available, new air coolers, and not to miss out some new fans as well. And main highlight I'd like to mention is their all new pixel artwork customization for the cases. So let's quickly head inside and check out all of these products. Alright, the first zone we'll be visiting over here is their liquid cooling zone, guys. We've got a couple of AIO liquid coolers over here. Two different models are there, the Mystique series, and they're all new LP series Matrix display edition as well. So we'll come there in a moment. First of all, if you talk about the Mystique series AIOs, right, you might have already seen the Mystique series couple of months in the Indian market, but this time they've also added like ARGB lighting to the fans. On the already existing one, you had like default black fans, right? Now you're also getting like customizable ARGB lighting on the fans on the radiator, available in 240 and 360. And talking about the pump head, check it out. It actually features like a 2.8 inches TFT LCD display with 640 by 480 resolution and 750 nits. Fully customizable. You can apply your own pictures, GIF files, video clips, and fully customize it as per your requirement. And not to miss out, you're also getting like a 5th generation Deepcool pump design on board. Now moving on, this is the main highlight in the AIO liquid cooling section, guys. They're all new LP series Matrix LCD display liquid coolers. Check it out. You have the 240 edition, 360mm edition just beside that, and main highlight would be the pump head, guys. As I've told you, you're actually getting like a 14 by 14 customizable Matrix array display over here, and this is how it looks like. Very cool looking stuff, right? It is fully customizable just like the Mystique series. It can show you your real-time PC stats like the CPU temperature, CPU utilization level, and not only that, you can even make your own custom animations, custom text running on pixel art sort of animations. Plenty of features. And if you look at the sides as well, you're getting a translucent design that is capable of showing ARGB lighting all around it. Beautiful looking cooler. My god, are you people checking out this chunky block of cooler? This is Deepcool's all new Assassin series air cooler. Now Assassin series are already there. This is like a more incremental upgrade, I would say, and they're calling it as Assassin 4 VC Vision Edition. So this time the Assassin series air cooler actually features a vapor chamber design and also has like a customizable LCD display at the top side. So if you want to have a closer look at the vapor chamber design, right, here's how it looks like. So previously you used to have like a copper base, right? Now instead of that, you're getting a vapor chamber design. This is like an extension of the already existing heat pipe. So instead of 7, you can count it like a 8 heat pipe design. Is much more improved thermal efficiency and better thermal performance. And main highlight at the top side, you're also getting like a customizable display that shows lots of interesting stuff like the real-time CPU temperature, utilization, CPU complete stats are available. And let me show you a cool thing. The top display is actually magnetically detachable, just like this. It kind of looks like a phone. The reason they made it magnetically detachable is so you can actually install the fan very easily, just like this. There you go. This is how you install the fan in the cooler. Even the AK series lineup from Deepcool get a new upgrade this time, the AK400 and the AK620, guys. So here also you're getting like a multi-stat display at the top side with RGB lighting and shows a lot of real-time information like the CPU temperature, utilization, wattage consumed, and also backlit Deepcool logo as well. Look at this RGB lighting on the side, fully customizable using Deepcool software. And yes, even the display on this thing is magnetically detachable just like this. And now you can easily access the fans and remove them, replace them anytime needed. Oh wow, look at this tiny little thing. So these are Deepcool's brand new low profile fans, guys, 92mm edition fans, and has very compact and very small form factor design, guys. So usually if you're building a PC like in a very small form factor case, if you want to place it on your desk in a mini ITX case, there you cannot put in that AK series, right, 400, 620. They won't fit for those sort of usage. You can actually go for the low profile fans. Model is called as AN400 and offers like really decent performance. And look at the center as well. You're getting white LED lighting at the center. So not just your regular air coolers and liquid coolers, we also have some brand new performance editions fans and have a beautiful design. So main highlight I would say is daisy chainable case fans. So you don't need to use like multiple number of cables, to attach these fans. Single cable will get your job done because they support daisy chaining feature. And look at the whole design as well. Instead of the regular 7-blade design, you're getting 9-blade design over here. That too very much optimized, guys, the whole thermal airflow, and hence the main performance performance category. We have a couple of other variants as well. You get the FD12, FD14 and also ARGB, non-ARGB, black edition, white edition, all variants are available. And let me tell you, all of these are daisy chainable. Oh ho ho, coming to the power supply zone, here also we have some brand new models from Deepcool. So this is like an all new product, small form factor power supply from Deepcool. And let me tell you, this tiny little thing can offer up to like 1000 watts of power, and it is ATX 3.1 ready. It is very small and compact, goes great for your mini ITX cases or small form factor, low profile cases is what I can say. And at the back side you can check out all the connectivity ports, plus you're also getting this new 12 volt 6x2 power connector for your GPU as well. Available in white and black editions. This one is your regular standard power supply, guys, which has like ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5 standard. Plus this also has that 12 volt cable for your GPU. So for the white edition power supply, right, even the cables over here come in this white color only and have a very good quality, guys. Check it out. So moving on to the PC cases, here we have something interesting this time. So finally Deepcool has also introduced their back connect design cases. So now they support all the new Project Zero motherboard from MSI and stuff like that. So you'll get like a full front neat cable management look, because all the cables and connectors go at the back side, right? And here's how the whole setup is gonna look like. Alright, this is a brand new customization aspect Deepcool has introduced this year at Computex 2024. This is Deepcool's Pixel series customization bits, guys. So basically you see these brand new cases like the CH160 mesh series. You have all these dots over here, right? You can buy all these sort of customization Pixel bits and customize and give your own personal taste to your cabinet and PC. It looks very cool. They're like small rubber cubes and very easy to place. So let me just quickly take them out and show you. Here you go, this is how they look like. All you need to do is simply push it anywhere in these slots on the case, and that's it. This is how you can give your own personal taste and customization experience. Is this a suitcase or a PC case? What? This is Deepcool's all new CH160 Mesh Edition PC case, guys, and as you people can see, it's a very stylish looking and portable ITX cabinet. So it's a well designed cabinet, and on the inside here you're getting very spacious layout. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. Main highlight is you can use this PC case both vertically, horizontally, whichever direction you want, and has like plenty of cutouts and vents on all sides of the body for excellent airflow. And not to miss out, you can use the same vents and cutouts for Deepcool's Pixel bit customization as well, like the one we have over here in the video. Looks absolutely beautiful, right? If you ask about the compatibility, as I've told you, it's a very portable ITX case, but it even supports taller air coolers up to 172mm as well. And I'm not sure if you'll believe this, but this case also supports like triple slot modern GPUs as well, no hassle at all, without any extra assistance. And not to miss out, you can even install up to like 240mm AIO liquid coolers also on the inside. And at the top side, you're also getting like a very convenient sturdy carry handle as well, so you can easily take this PC anywhere you go. So great for like portability and travel purpose. And on the bottom, if you can observe, you're getting these tiny little feet, right? So these feet can also be movable, guys. You can easily remove them from the case, and say suppose you're using the case in a vertical direction, right? You can very easily remove them and move it to the other side, so then you'll be able to use the PC in a vertical direction. I'm pretty excited to build a PC using this case, so let's quickly hope it hits the Indian market soon, and we'll definitely be getting our hands on this unit. Dude, this PC looks really awesome. So it features Deepcool's all new CH170 digital series case, and the main highlight would be this digital panel on the bottom corner, guys. Look at this. It's got like a complete information, real-time CPU stats. You can check out CPU temperatures, utilization, and also lots of other information. And just like the previous model, even this case has like lots of vents and cutouts all around the body for plenty of ventilation and air circulation. And yes, you can even customize it using Deepcool's Pixel customization bits. Well, that is pretty much it, our complete walk around at Deepcool's booth at Computex 2024. We got to check out some really interesting stuff, brand new cases, liquid coolers, new fans, and not to miss out some power supplies as well. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, got to check out all this interesting stuff, and got full information you might be looking for. We will definitely be getting our hands on these products very soon back at our place in India. So stay tuned for all the updates, guys. And if you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.